line. This line.
Good job.
There.
You wrote June.
No, it's the air.
Hi, are you walking?
Mommy, the airway.
No, if you wanted to say air and start with an E.
Mommy, help me.
Do an E. Draw a line there.
We can't.
Your Johnny Jump Up
Mommy,
is so twisted.
I did it. You all did it. You all did it.
Hi. Do you love that? All right, write an E. Right below your J.
Yay.
Hi.
Mommy, right.
Look how twisted the cord is. She just walked in circles. Wait, hold on. What's Daddy doing to you?
Daddy. He's spinning her.
Watch out, honey. Watch out.
Mommy, help me.
Write a straight line, honey.
Mommy, by the way, this is Cora.
Okay,
By the
write
way,
a straight
this
line.
is-
You need to make an
this
E.
is Gracie's
So the
going-
straight line with 3
Hey!
lines going there.
This is Gracie's going. Hey. Hey.
Oh, I like your picture of Coraline.
And I'm going. Aww. Oh. Mommy, Daddy.
Can we see it? I love my cutie.
Mommy,
Coraline March Teresa Smith. I was taking a
I
video.
love my Coraline you. 2. ... Coraline March Teresa Smith.
Hi.
Big sis.
Whoa. Walking in a circle. Walking in a circle.
Or-
Walking in a circle.
I'm walking it to you. I'm walking to you, Mommy. I'm walking to you. Mama, walking to you.
I love you. I love you.
Mommy.
Okay.